When you take it out of there, let some of that stuff drip off. Stick it in there. Let it drip off. So close to mouth. What are you doing?
No, the white rain.
Why don't you blow them so Brady gets to see them?
Let's blow them at Brady, buddy.
No.
Yeah, so he can see.
Yeah, so he can play too. There you go.
Oh. Hey.
Maybe let Daddy blow some for
Can
both
I
of
blow
y'all,
some?
and then you try to catch them.
Can you catch him? Brady. There he goes.
You're very good at that, aren't you, Brian? There you go. Need me to blow?
Oh no, I want to let me blow.
There we go. Oh, Brady almost got one.
Oh, we need to the horse.
There we go.
Look behind you. There's a whole bunch of them. Oh, yeah, they're coming to get you. Too high for you, huh, baby boy?
Oh, I'm into my head.
Oh, almost.
No, I'm touching.
That's a big one.
Oh, want another one. I'll touch it. Oh,
You're getting them all before they get to Brady boy.
You got several there, didn't you, Brady?
I'll touch it.
Catch him, you gotta look. Catch him.
Oh, that was good. I'm trying to touch it.
No way, Eli.
Huh? There's a lot of bubbles. Didn't you? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it the right way.
The right way.
Uh-huh. Good job, Eli. There you go.
Catch it. There you go, Scoot.
I got it!
It's going up.
Oh, I can't!
Uh-oh. Oh, there's another one over here, Eli. Going around Brady.
Oh, right here. Oh.
Look over Brady.
Oh, they popped. That was a good one, Eli. Let me get your picture blowing some.
They start taking that.
This one. I got it.
Oh, you caught it.
Still recording. Way to go. Let me get your picture blowing some, okay? Well, you gotta keep it up there. Hold on. Eli. What are you doing? Watching yourself? Are you watching yourself?
You're not blowing in the...
You're not blowing, you're just blowing air out. You're not...
Now I'm blowing. I got it. I caught it. Oh!
Oh, almost!
And in there.
Oh, little one.
Oh,
Be careful. Don't spill. Whoa! Well, now we don't really have any. There's a little itty bit left in the bottom now. It's okay. It'll cost 50 cents. You want me to dip it for you? It's all the way down in the bottom.
No,
You just
don't.
spilt it all out, baby.
No.